All right, one more thing we're going to talk about. Well, a couple more things we're going to talk about. One is if I want to export this thing for 3D printing. So what I'm going to do is if I wanted to print this all out as one object, and you don't have to do this. If you say you wanted to merge just the Apple stuff, you can Alt-tap any of the Apple pieces, hold down Shift, shoot it to the top. Hold on Shift, shoot at the top, Alt-tap, hold down Shift, shoot at the top. So all your Apple stuff is up here at the top. And then you can just do a merge down. And now all your Apple stuff is merged into one subtool. So if I go into solo mode here, you can see this is all one piece here. And then if all the worm stuff you want merged together, you can merge all of those down. And you can export these separately. If you want everything all merged together, you can skip that and you can go to merge visible. And that's going to throw out another subtool here with everything merged together. And once you've done that, there's a couple different options. You can go up here to File. And instead of saving this, what we're going to do is optimize for 3D printing. So there's a couple different options. If you optimize and VRML export, that'll give you some color. If you optimize for STL export, you're not going to get vertex color. And if you just do optimize for 3D printing, it's basically going to do what Big Brother ZBrush is, which is decimation master. I don't see a way to control the number of points, but I guess it's just giving you an optimized number based on your entire mesh. So it's basically going to optimize this for you into one exportable mesh. So once it's done that, here we go. And if you zoom in, you can kind of see, okay, it's simplified it. It's basically done a decimation if you're familiar with ZBrush. If I turn off this little brush over here and we'll go to a white color with just matcap gray, we can get a little better look at it. So here we go. It's all optimized for 3D printing. So now we need to talk about exporting. If you go up here to export, you can export this as an OBJ under your tool menu. You can also go up here to File. If you click on any of these, it'll export as an STL or a VRML. If I do optimize an STL export, I can just optimize this. Let's do Core 3D Print STL. So it was successfully exported. So if we do that again, you're going to see an STL sitting there. It's 9 meg of your 3D printable object here.